Welcome to English Listening Stories. Today's English is slow, clear, and easy to understand. Emma thinks she is close to the city library, but after a long walk, something feels wrong. The neighborhood doesn't look familiar. The library is nowhere in sight. A few minutes later, Emma is checking the same street name again and again. Why? Listen carefully and find out. Here is today's listening question. Which street does Officer Davis tell Emma to turn left on? The answer appears in the story. When you hear it, write it in the comments. Writing your answer is a great way to practice English and remember what you hear. Let's begin.
Excuse me,
Hello, how can I help you?
can I ask you something?
Of course.
I think I'm in the wrong place.
Really?
What makes you think that? I was looking for the city library.
The city library?
Yes, that's where I wanted to go today.
I see.
But this area looks very different.
Different from what?
Different from the pictures I saw online.
That's understandable.
I expected to see a large park nearby.
There isn't a large park around here.
That's what confused me.
You're quite far from the library area.
Oh, really?
Yes, you are.
Well, that explains a lot.
Are you visiting the city?
Not exactly.
No?
I recently moved here.
Welcome to Chicago.
Thank you.
How long have you been here?
Just a few weeks.
Then you're still learning the city.
Definitely.
That's completely normal.
I wanted to explore a little today.
Sounds like a nice plan.
It was a nice plan until I got lost.
That happens to everyone sometimes.
Good to know I'm not the only one.
Not at all.
Do you know where the library is?
Yes, I do.
Great.
I can help you get there.
Thank you. I'd really appreciate that.
No problem. Let's figure it out together. So, what made you choose the library today?
I've heard a lot about it.
Really?
Yes. Several people recommended it.
That's a good sign.
I thought it would be a nice place to visit.
Do you enjoy reading?
I do.
What kind of books do you like?
Mostly travel books and novels.
Nice choices.
I also like spending time in quiet places.
Then you'll probably enjoy the library.
That's what I was hoping.
Have you explored many parts of Chicago yet?
Not really.
Still new to the city?
Very new.
When did you move here?
About 3 weeks ago.
That's recent.
It still feels new every day.
I can imagine.
Every neighborhood feels different.
That's one of the great things about this city.
I think so too.
What do you usually do on weekends?
I like walking around and exploring.
Without a plan?
Usually with a small plan.
And today the plan was the library.
Exactly.
Did you use a map?
I looked at one before leaving home.
But not while walking.
No, I wanted to learn the streets myself.
That's actually a good way to learn.
It worked for a while.
Until you reach the old theater.
Exactly.
Well, at least you found an interesting part of town.
That's true.
And you're not far from your destination.
That's good news.
The library is worth the visit.
Now I'm even more excited to see it.
Then let's make sure you get there.
I'd love that. Thank you.
All right, let's talk about the route.
Sounds good.
From here, go straight for about 3 blocks.
3 blocks. Okay.
You'll pass a small bookstore first.
A bookstore. Got it.
After that, you'll see a city park on your right.
A park on my right.
That's correct.
Okay.
Keep walking past the park.
Keep walking past the park.
Then you'll come to an intersection.
An intersection.
Yes, a large one with traffic lights.
That should be easy to find.
It is.
What do I do there?
Turn left at the intersection.
Turn left.
Exactly.
Then what?
You'll be on Maple Street.
Maple Street.
Yes.
Okay.
Walk along Maple Street for a few minutes.
Walk along Maple Street.
You'll see several shops.
What kind of shops?
A bakery, a flower shop, and a coffee shop.
A coffee shop sounds nice.
It is very popular.
Maybe I'll stop there later.
You might want to.
What happens after the coffee shop?
Keep going straight.
Keep going straight.
The library will be ahead of you.
Ahead of me.
You can't miss it.
Is it a large building?
Very large.
That's helpful.
There are also flags outside.
Oh, that's easy to remember.
Good.
Let me check if I understand.
Sure.
First, I go straight for 3 blocks.
Correct.
Then I pass a bookstore and a park.
That's right.
Then I turn left at the big intersection.
Exactly.
After that, I walk along Maple Street.
Yes.
Then I pass the coffee shop,
Correct.
and the library will be ahead of me.
That's the route.
Is that right?
Yes, that's right.
Great. I think I'm following so far. Actually, I have one question.
Sure. What is it?
I'm not completely sure about the street name.
Which street name?
The street after the intersection.
Ah, I see.
Did you say Maple Street?
Yes, Maple Street.
That's what I thought.
But you're not sure?
Not completely.
What did you hear?
I thought maybe you said Mason Street.
No, not Mason Street.
Okay,
It's Maple Street.
sorry.
No need to apologize.
Sometimes street names sound similar to me.
That happens all the time.
Really?
Absolutely.
I'm glad it's not just me.
Not at all.
Could you repeat it one more time?
Of course. Maple Street.
Maple Street.
That's right.
Let me say it again.
Go ahead.
Maple Street.
Perfect.
Is there an easy way to remember it?
Actually, yes.
I'd love a tip.
There's a small maple tree near the corner.
Really?
Yes,
That's easy to remember.
I thought so.
A maple tree on Maple Street.
Exactly.
That's helpful.
Also, there's a street sign right there.
Oh, I can see it from here.
What does it say?
Maple Street.
Good.
Now I'm sure.
Great.
Let me check again.
Okay.
I go straight for 3 blocks.
Correct.
I pass the bookstore and the park.
Right.
Then I turn left onto Maple Street,
Exactly.
not Mason Street.
Definitely not Mason Street.
Good. I think I've got it now.
You're doing great.
Thanks for checking with me.
It's always better to ask when you're unsure.
By the way, there's something else near the library.
Oh, what is it?
There's a book market this weekend.
A book market?
Yes,
That sounds interesting.
I thought you might like it.
Where is it exactly?
Right next to the library.
Really?
Yes, it's only a short walk away.
I didn't know about that.
Many people don't.
Is it a big event?
It's fairly popular.
What can people do there?
They can buy books, read, and meet local writers.
Meet local writers?
That's right.
That sounds fun.
It usually attracts a lot of visitors.
Have you been there before?
A few times.
Did you enjoy it?
I did.
What did you like most?
I like talking with people about books.
That sounds nice.
The atmosphere is very friendly.
I enjoy places like that.
Then you'll probably have a good time.
I hope so.
Do you often visit book events?
Not often.
No?
I usually visit bookstores instead.
That's nice too.
I can spend hours in a bookstore.
You are definitely a reader.
I guess I am.
Then today might be your lucky day.
It feels that way.
First the library, then the book market.
Sounds like a perfect afternoon.
You might even discover a new favorite book.
That would be great.
The market is open until late afternoon.
Good. There's no need to rush.
Exactly.
I'll definitely check it out.
I think you'll enjoy it.
Thanks for telling me about it.
You're welcome.
Honestly, this day is turning out better than I expected.
Sometimes getting a little lost leads to something good.
That's a nice way to think about it.
It happens more often than people realize.
I'm starting to believe that.
Well, you have a good plan now.
Yes, I do.
Library first.
Then the book market.
Exactly.
I'm looking forward to both. Before I go, let me check the route one more time.
That's a good idea.
Okay, here we go.
I'm listening.
First, I go straight for 3 blocks.
Correct?
Then I pass the bookstore.
Yes,
After that, I pass the park.
that's right.
Then I reach the large intersection.
Exactly.
And I turn left there.
Yes, you do.
Let me think about the street name.
Take your time.
Maple Street.
Perfect.
Not Mason Street.
Definitely not Mason Street.
Turn left on Maple Street.
Correct.
That's the important part.
It is.
Then I walk along Maple Street.
Yes?
I'll see some shops,
Several shops.
including a bakery,
Right?
a flower shop,
Yes.
and a coffee shop.
Exactly.
Then I keep going straight.
That's right.
The library will be ahead of me,
Yes.
and it's a large building
Very large.
with flags outside.
Correct.
I think I've got it.
I think so too.
Let me do a quick summary.
Go ahead.
3 blocks,
Yes?
bookstore,
Right?
park,
Correct?
big intersection,
Yes?
turn left on Maple Street,
Exactly.
walk past the shops,
Right?
keep going straight.
Yes.
Then I'll find the library.
That's the route.
Perfect.
You're ready to go.
I feel much more confident now.
I'm glad to hear that.
Thanks for helping me organize everything.
You're very welcome.
Now I know where to go.
And how to get there.
Exactly.
Sounds like you're all set. Well, Emma, it looks like you're ready.
I think so too.
Feeling better than when we first met?
Much better.
That's good to hear.
When I first saw you, I thought, I think I'm in the wrong place.
And you were right.
Luckily, I found someone who knew the area.
I'm happy I could help.
Let me tell you my plan one last time.
Sure.
First, I'll go straight for 3 blocks.
Correct.
Then I'll pass the bookstore.
Yes,
After that, I'll pass the park.
that's right.
Then I'll reach the large intersection.
Exactly.
I'll turn left on Maple Street,
Perfect.
not Mason Street.
Definitely not Mason Street.
I don't think I'll forget that now.
Probably not.
Then I'll walk past the bakery,
Yes.
the flower shop,
Right.
and the coffee shop.
Exactly.
After that, I'll keep going straight.
Correct.
Then I'll arrive at the library.
That's the whole route.
And after the library, I'll visit the book market.
Good idea.
I'm actually excited about that now.
I thought you might be.
I was only looking for the library.
And now you have 2 places to visit.
Exactly.
Not a bad afternoon.
Not bad at all.
Have fun exploring.
I will.
Chicago has a lot to offer.
I'm starting to see that.
Every neighborhood is a little different.
That's one of the things I like about it.
You'll discover even more over time.
I hope so.
Just keep exploring.
That's the plan.
And maybe keep a map with you next time.
That's probably a smart idea.
It might save you a few extra blocks of walking.
True.
Although getting lost worked out pretty well today.
It really did.
Nice meeting you, Emma.
Nice meeting you too.
Enjoy the library.
I will.
Enjoy the book market, too.
Definitely.
Take care.
Thanks for your help.
You're welcome.
Have a great weekend.
You too.
Goodbye.
Goodbye, Emma.
Before you go, let's review a few useful English expressions from today's story. I've got it. This means I understand. Example, I've got it. Turn left on Maple Street. Check it out. This means go and see it. I'll check out the book market. You're all set. This means everything is ready. Example, you're all set. Enjoy your visit. Now let's go back to today's listening question. Which street did Officer Davis tell Emma to turn left on? Write your answer in the comments. Writing helps you practice English and remember new words and phrases. If you enjoyed today's lesson, please like the video and subscribe to English Listening Stories. And if you'd like to support more slow and relaxing English stories, you can also become a channel member. Thank you for listening. Keep learning, keep listening, and I'll see you in the next English listening story.